Harris Academy Beckenham is a large mixed ability school in the leafy suburbs of Bromley. We're judged to be an outstanding school and have a very excellent reputation within the local community of which we serve. But even bigger than that is Harris Federation. It's one of the largest multi-academy trusts in the country.
We've got 52 academies which comprise primary, secondary, teaching 38,000 plus students.
We're very fortunate to be part of such a large organisation because that means that our students have a wealth of resources compared to other smaller multi-academy trusts. With that brings creativity and innovation, and it's very important to the Federation that we have technology at our fingertips to support us in planning and delivering our lessons.
The idea of the project was to replace an aging video wall, so that was 9 screens that were 55-inch in size. So we're really looking at a ViewSonic product that would integrate and also utilise the space where it was going into. So the ViewSonic 163-inch LED was a perfect fit.
I've been lucky enough to be involved in the process from start to finish. So I was invited up to the offices to look at a range of installations. We spent a day really looking at the quality of equipment that is available to schools, but that face-to-face hands-on experience was really beneficial in terms of what we needed and ViewSonic's ability to be able to provide it to us as a solution to the digital problem that we were experiencing.
It's 163-inch size variable display LED, so we could look at different angles. It's got 100,000 hours life on the display LED, and it's just a lot more reliable, more energy efficient to run over the existing old screen it replaced, so that's why we chose it.
So some of the key features: the seamless design, so 3.5 centimetre thickness, no bezel, inbuilt speakers, wireless connectivity, just a seamless design that can fit into any user environment, so in this case an assembly hall.
Obviously we then moved on to the installation period and that was seamless. You wouldn't even know they were in the building. Minor disruption to everything that we were doing. So we've had high quality training, hands-on face-to-face experiences with ViewSonic, which has meant that the whole transition to this screen has been seamless in its approach. The biggest benefit really is just the quality of the imaging and the resolution that we can achieve, which means that we produce much higher quality materials for staff to engage in. We also have the added feature of wireless connection. That means we can use the equipment anywhere in the room. That's been quite a game changer for us within the education setting, particularly when we're doing debates or when we're hosting big events, particularly with parents, where we can engage with our audiences in many different mediums and ways. So that's probably one of the biggest benefits for us.
In terms of maintenance, the screen has 144 modules, so comparing to what was previously installed, which were 9 screens, if a screen went down, then basically the screen couldn't be used. In this scenario, if a module did go, a vacuum tool is provided, training has been given, and one of those modules can be taken out. And it's just a really simple process to maintain.
Someone's experience was really good, really positive. They showcased us the actual item down at their head office before we purchased. The installation was clean, simple and done quite efficiently.
At ViewSonic, we are providing a complete guided service. So from the initial pre-sales to the after-sales, we're there at every step of the way.